Konichiwa kimono wearers, this is Nozawa Onsen Snow Resort and we are literally in paradise today. Well, this is the Paradise Run. The Hikage gondola will get you here, or take the Nagasaka gondola and come down Uenotaira. Hotdog is just loving it. Gorgeous day here.
No. Go Bailey. Righto, got that. Thank you.
The rookie doing rookie things.
And that one.
Keep leaning forward.
Lean back. Wait on your left one. Oh.
It's a cruisy wide green run, 1.2 k's of beginner and intermediate fun. Check out how busy this run is. Gotta love weekdays on the slopes in Japan. Budgie catching up to the fam, Deelite taking it easy. The rookie still doing rookie things.
Nice save.
And Little Udon learning to cruise with Matcha.
Right, stand up.
Little Udon.
Are you standing up? Well done. Woo! Oh yeah, that was...
Ooh, look at this. I've had my eye on this cutie since I got here. Excuse me miss, I really like your style. Any chance you'd be into Hotdog? No, I'm not trying to be rude, that's my nickname. Well, I think that first encounter went rather well. She could have skied off the edge of the mountain but chose not to. Back with the fam, that's Mochi in the black. After a top up of snow, head to the edges of the run, an easy place to enjoy some powder fun. Budgie and Hotdog are loving it. Ooh, and look at that. I caught Ramen in the background flirting with the powder. Not sure she's noticed my flirting yet. Maybe she's not into Hotdog. Budgie gracefully getting through the powder. Get to the bottom, then do it all again.
You were flying.
Ramen. Yikes, I'm sitting right next to Ramen. I can't see an inch of her skin, but she is gorgeous. You'll want to replenish your energy levels at some stage, and lucky for you, there's about 5 places to eat on the Paradise Run. We're heading into Uenotaira Sanso. It's warm and cozy and serves delicious Japanese food. The katsu curry is delish. Oh, and the hot chocolate is a must. Don't worry if you can't read Japanese, they got pictures here. God, we are swimming in katsu curry today. Yep, we had to go back another day for more katsu curry and hot chocky.
Alright, you guys are on.
And now Little Udon shows us how it's done. A 4-year-old first timer. She's loving it too.
We can get down the hill and then we can do some more.
Matcha holding onto the reins, guiding Little Udon down paradise. Little Udon.
Slow down.
Stuff slowing down. Little Udon is pinning it. Wonder if Ramen senses I'm following her. Damn, another chaperone chairlift ride. I hope Budgie gives us some alone time at some point. And we have Deelite showing us his smooth style. Hey, that's Rookie in the background, no longer doing rookie things. The Rookie doing great things. Fast learner, this one.
Wow, look at you. Good. And now stop.
Oh.
I don't know if I could crawl to you. 3, arigato. Pizza. That's it. That's the perfect pizza. Perfect slice of pizza. Ready? Let's go again.
We're not going there.
Come on, up you get.
This side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side.
Little Udon absolutely smashing it.
High five. High five.
Awesome job. Woo. Awesome job, kid. That's it.
And we're back with Budgie doing a solo run. My first solo chairlift date with Ramen. I said she could hold my selfie stick, but she politely declined. Little Udon continuing to master the pizza slice and French fries. Mochi guiding Little Udon down paradise this time.
And French fries down this little bit? French fries down this one?
Deelite and Matcha leading the way for Little Udon. Like I said at the start, Paradise is beginner and intermediate fun. Not too steep for the beginners and good for the intermediates to practice technique. There's plenty more snow scenes to come, but for now, and as usual, arigatou gozaimasu for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!